talking about never give up. Many people always give up in their process, like whatever, studying what, like when they are studying or doing sports. There's many reasons that they want to give up. Like it's too tired, it's exhausted, and it's hard to stay consistencies, and it's really hard. And I've been through that before. And I was a basketball player, and in the first time I was firstly contact basketball is I think it's very fun. So that's why I'm motivated, and I really enjoy playing basketball, and I playing it as like a habit, not a game, you know. And I take it serious. But after like 1 to 2 years, been through so many problems. Like I can't gain points, and my results in the competition is not that well, and the coach is pressuring me and many things, and even my work on study, I can't really balance two things together at the same time, and so I quit. But many people said quitting is not a good thing, but that's not how I'm thinking. Like there's many things you can do in this world, not only basketball, not only studying. You can be a singer, be a dancer, whatever. That's just a process in your life. And I think the most important thing is to find something that's really mean to you and important, and you really like. And I took a long time to think about this question, and I'm still processing. So I think everyone that want to give up should be take it more serious, and consider it for a few more times, and make sure you're doing the right choice. And of course, don't give up so easily. That like maybe you will have some better result in the few days, few months, few years. We don't know, but just keep moving on. You can't really stop. Giving up doesn't mean stop. You have to keep putting effort in things you do. And another solution to avoid giving up is to remember the first time you play this, or to do this thing, why you're doing this. Just keep asking questions to yourself, and maybe ask some people to join you that can keep you motivated, and it will make things more interesting, and maybe you will have more fun in it, and you find out that you won't give up, you don't want to give up. And that's my sharing.